everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Hey y'all, so I decided to do a voiceover for this part because as soon as the video like transitioned into this new video, it was a little weird. So this is my chit chat and do a makeup with me video. So enjoy, love you, bye.
Mainly because I wanted to have more of a natural look than a hard, harsh look of my eyebrows. Everybody's into the natural brows, so I'm here for it. I'm going to take my Morphe M165 angle brush. My brushes are super dirty. It's okay. And I'm going to take Fawn by LA Pro Concealer, and it is closer to my foundation, and I'm literally going to take my brush, take my concealer, swipe up a little bit, and we're just gonna do our thing. We're gonna rock out, you know what I'm saying? I take light strokes. I actually just pack it in each spot, and then when I get to the arch of my brow, I kind of begin to curve it out. I start confessing with my mouth, Jesus Christ is Lord, honey, because he is and is. So I go to both. I transition between my left and my right, or my right and my left. I'm left-handed, but I'm ambidextrous. I use my right hand to do everything concerning my makeup, throwing, punching. My pastor preached today. Today is Sunday. He preached today and was like, in this time of darkness, make this your time to shine. And I feel like that spoke volumes to me, simply because these are things that I said I wanted to do. Like, I wanted to do more stuff for my YouTube channel, but it was like, I don't have time to put the effort and the energy into it. And I appreciate being home and I just appreciate being home and being able to actually do the things that I want to do. Journey of rebranding myself and really pushing out to do the things that I find are fun. I just hope that someone can benefit from them. The Bible says, write the vision, make it plain. And the entire time, like, I went back in some of my journals, and I saw where I wanted to have, in 2015, I had wrote that I wanted to have a purpose event. Didn't really know what it was how I was gonna do it, where I was gonna do it, and it just so happened that I became the 2018-2019 Miss Chicago State University, and I was able to execute that, and I kind of felt like I was winging it when I did the event, but the term or the word purpose would not like let go of me. And when I had that event, honey, I went back and found my journal entry that I wrote in concerning my summit, and honey, my summit came to fruition. And I wrote it down in 2015. I think it was January 9th. In my journal it says January 9th. And didn't know how I was going to make it happen, but God allowed it to be so. And so that's something that I am most proud of. I don't know if you all can see the picture behind me with my niece. That was the summit. Soon as I stop worrying how the story ends, I let go and I let God have his way. That's when things start happening. I stopped looking at back then. I let go and I let God have His way. Let go and let God. Let go and let go. We worry about things that we have no control over. So like right now, I'm dealing with a situation concerning graduation and credits and different things that could be discouraging, but will you believe the report of the Lord? What's that song? New Zion. Whose report will you believe? There we go. I went to cosmetology school back in 2015. I was like, I'm only here to do makeup. My school tricked me. It was like, we have a great makeup program here. You should do cosmetology. You know, I had to learn how to cut hair. My brother was like, Kenyatta, you gonna be cutting like this with your shears? And I was like, no, I'm not. I'm gonna cut how I wanna cut. And then when I got there, psych. You know how you've just been in a place too long? You've been in this place long enough. What's the rest of the words? Let me look up. Fight has been rough. The struggle is over for you. The struggle is over for you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's that split. That's that split right there. I normally set my brows before I apply, but I didn't. I actually kind of forgot. On YouTube, still do their eyebrows like that. That was ghetto. Do their eyebrows like that, but I do my eyebrows how I do my eyebrows, honey. This with this. This comes from Ulta. This comes from Walmart or any local drugstore. And I mix it together because this one, the Airspun, is too it's too yellow for me. And then the Makeup Revolution one is too orange. And so I mix it together. I'm just gonna set these brows a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Set them and do. I'm gonna care for using primers because I have combination skin, and I feel that primers kind of like make my face feel oily. That's it. That's just it. I don't like no greasy face. Pro concealer, and I'm just going to take my fingertips a little bit and just kind of put it on my eyelids. And you know, the eyeshadow palette that we're going to use today is Juvia's Place Nubian Kohl palette, honey. Get into it. This color, this coral color right here, is my P.Louise. Where's the camera? I'll be like holding it up here. My P.Louise, the base. Which one is this? Rumor 0. Number 0. I don't know, sis. P. What up, P? And I'm telling y'all, my brushes, every single last one of them are dirty. But this is my Morphe M421. I'm gonna carve it out. Cut that crease, honey. I do like the idea of it getting a little tacky. so that, you know, it doesn't move as much, a little sticky, so that you can kind of like go back and do whatever else you need to do. That's that. I'm going to bring the color back in with that black brush that I used for this part. Bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. These are the lashes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to take this GIGI HADID Maybeline mascara and blend those eyelashes in at the bottom. Let's move on to the foundation. I like to use Milani's Conceal and Perfect and Conceal and Perfect, the 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Amber, number 11. So what I like to do is try to make even pumps on my face. Now because my camera is about to die and I don't want to die on me while I'm doing this. And I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to take my stipple brush in a little bit, but I actually should use that right now. Nope. I still act like I don't know where my camera is. Dark Cocoa is what I use for my contour. I'm lying, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Taking that same setting. Y'all, me rushing is literally making me go crazy. Anyway, hey y'all, so my camera died. I had to finish everything off camera, but this is the finished look, honey. Getting to it. Hold on, need a little more blend down there. Hold on. A baddie, honey. So the last little bit on my face, I use the Juvia's Place blush. I'll list everything in the description. I use my Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. But yes. And the Mystique lashes are in MLA 105, so 105, I don't know, but this is the finished look. I hope y'all like it, and I'll see y'all in my next video, honey.